Now we will see how the data flow occurs in the anagram program. Anagram means it is the string. Given the two string, we need to compare whether all the characters which are present in the string 1 is exactly means there in the string 2. There is no any more characters in different characters in these two strings. Okay, so first uh, declaring the character array, that is s1 and the s2. So those two are declared here, s2, and which is of size 10 10. So here we see this is the okay, so from here 0 to 9, and here 0 to 9 again. So this is the s2, and okay, here we can see this is the s1. Then int I, that is the int I, and okay, so here int l s1 and length of s2, these two. Then int I, that will be here. Okay, so here we can see those things. Now printf, enter the two strings. So we need to give the strings now. So now it is scanning. Okay, so here I am giving apple. Okay, so then I need to click enter. Now you see the string 1, that is okay, so string 1 s1 in this memory apple, and remaining are /0/0. Okay, that is the end of the string. Okay, that is /0. Then I need to enter another string. So I'm okay, so we will make this as the anagram. So e l a p p. Okay, these two strings. Now ELAPP and APPLE, these two are the strings that we have. So now first we need to find the length. If the lengths are different, then we can directly print it is not anagram. But here the length is same. So now here is the custom function. That means a user defined function for finding the length. So len equal to 0, and until it /0, it will just increment the len. So I'm calling this function from my main. So now len1 equal to this one, strlen. So here we have that strlen. It will come to that function, and so this is that function. Here it is doing. So you can see now s of I is not equal to 0. Here we can see this is the address where strings address. Okay, then we are passing here the address, that means the string address, so it is a *s. Okay, then here I plus plus, then okay, so this one, so again it means that this address, so 0xFF6, that means here we need to check FFF6, that is here. Now it is pointing to the 7, FFF7. Okay, so here we see now address is this one. Okay, so now the length is again incremented. Then I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus, then s of I, s of, so this is the 0xFF, that one address. Okay, then length will be, that means it is the starting address of our string 0xFFX that we see here. Where is it? FF6. So this is the starting address, APPLE, a starting address we are passing. So this is the which is holding the starting this one address of the string. So that is the pointer. Okay, so starting address of the string. So that's why we are just checking from here to here. Okay, then it is just checking the length. Okay, then okay, now for this is for the second string, so that's why the starting address gets changed. And Okay, return length. Now lengths are returned. So here we see the length of S1 and length of S2, those two are 5. Now these two length, if it is not equal, it is just comparing. No, it is so it comes to the else block, and here the sorting of the first string. So here we have the first string. Okay, so this is APPLE. Now this is another function. In that we are passing the address of that string, and it is like pass by reference. That means this position only going to the that means the characters in this position only going to change by this function. It is not passing the value. That means it is not copying the string and passing, it is directly changing. So in this memory we can observe now. Okay, so here temp and okay, length, again I'm finding the length of string 1. That means whatever the string that is sent, length. So it just found the length. Okay, see, okay, yeah, /0 it is detected. So now length of -1, then for loop. So now it is for sorting. Sorting means it is just comparing like this one with this one. Then if it is greater s of I, then it will just uh, changing its position. So here we see now APPLE it becomes so okay, A, then comes this one L, E has to, now it is just compared. Now it is comparing this P. Okay, yeah, that gets changed. This L comes here. Now E, it compares with this E. So E, so okay, now L has to come here. So yeah, L come here. It is changing in the actual address only, it is not copying. So now again for this one, here it is changing. ELA has to come first. So now this is the string 1. So that has to change. So ELAPP. Okay, ALE. So again it has to okay. Now these two strings are sorted now. So now I'm checking whether this character is equal, this character is equal, like that. So if it is not equal, then it is not the anagram. So okay, if this is not equal, no, so it is not coming to the not anagram, it is anagram. That's why each character is checking. Okay, now it checked, so it is printing it is an anagram. So it prints the anagram and exit. Okay, it exited the program. Okay, this is the custom function. Instead of that, this we can use even strlen of that string. We need to import the string.h for that, and this is for the sorting. Okay, thank you.